collaboration with Renault, an Eines vision system has been installed on a high-speed stamping line to inspect parts every 2 seconds, detecting the number of holes and any breaks that may occur in these types of parts. Once the part exits the vision tunnel, the results are displayed almost instantaneously on the main control computer and replicated on feedback screens for the operators. If a part is not okay, the specific error is highlighted at its location, along with an image of the defect. This image is always accessible and can be viewed in high resolution for further analysis. All parts rejected by the system are taken to the end of the line for an operator to perform a final check. This step is crucial in determining if the parts can be repaired or need to be discarded. Thanks to tracking and tracing 100% of the production, we can identify defect trends and thus find the root causes. This allows us to improve the production process and reduce
Data analysis and automated quality control are essential topics in automotive production. In Industry 4.0 factories, AI-powered inspection processes are used to predict defects. This is done using modern data analysis to optimize processes. The current amount of data generated is usually not sufficient for this, which is why the need for new technology has arisen. Eines has developed a unique inline tunnel that can perform various measurement and scanning operations. One example of such a measurement process is gap and flush measurement on moving car bodies with a significantly increased number of measurement points compared to robot-based systems. Two cameras from different viewing angles enables the determination of 3D coordinates of each visible pixel. A high-resolution encoder integrated into the conveyor system tracks the exact position of the car body. This allows the 3D CAD reference model of the moving car body to be determined in space at any time. The functional principle can also be extended to automatic surface inspection. Here, a zebra arc is used to check for anomalies on the car body surface. Surface damage, such as dents, dings, fingerprints, and other defects relevant to the end customer can be reliably detected. The defects are detected and classified using neural networks to filter out anomalies, such as dust particles and water drops, without affecting the detection. The existing hardware can check components and characteristics, whether it is a tunnel for gap and flush measurement or surface inspection. For example, it checks whether the correct rims, tires, emblems, etc. have been fitted and whether specific components are correctly aligned or damaged. By combining different functions, this multifunctional tunnel enables intelligent and networked manufacturing that can flexibly adapt to industry requirements.
Precision, efficiency, and reliability are essential in the fast-paced tire manufacturing world. The system comprises specialized lighting, high-resolution cameras, and advanced sensors. The sensor detects the tire's presence and starts taking photos of the dot code. The result is immediately processed. This machine is powered by OCR technology and is based on deep learning. It ensures accurate and consistent dot code reading without stopping the line. The system can work even in conveyor vibrations or misaligned tires. This solution is adaptable to all tire models, ensuring complete flexibility for your production needs. With immediate feedback displayed on screens, operators are instantly informed of results. Additionally, all data is securely stored, offering full traceability.
A minimum human error on the assembly line can lead to a final customer warranty claim. An automatic end-of-line system is a high-impact solution for quality inspection. Cables, studs, labels, clips. How do you ensure that parts are properly assembled? Eines presents a machine vision system as a quantitative alternative for automatic multi-error proofing. It is a technology that employs high-resolution cameras and LED panel light combined with simple algorithms to automatically identify the presence or absence of components and perform an electrical checkout. It ensures that the component is present or connected and it is assembled or working properly. The operator must correctly place the part in the cabin and connect the cables. The part is registered by scanning the label and the inspection starts. Different images are taken from different cameras to check components at all angles of the part. The images are saved and analyzed within seconds. At the end of the inspection, the operator can see the result on the HMI. If there is an error, the operator can access to the inspection list. It is also possible to see more data, such as the incorrect part and the camera that found the error. You can control and secure all data collection that enables you to explore and drill down inspection and build custom queries and traceability for continuous improvement. Personal protective equipment is now mandatory in many workplaces to prevent physical risks. Unsupervised monitoring is a high-impact solution for safety compliance. Masks, vests, glasses, gloves. How do you ensure that your employees are wearing all the required personal protective equipment? Eines presents a machine vision system as a quantitative alternative for monitoring the operator's activities. It is a technology that employs cameras and deep learning algorithms to automatically identify and alert PPE violations. With Eines Vision Systems, employee control is automatic and takes place directly at the entrance of your work environment or during the manufacturing process. This AI-based solution learns to recognize all necessary equipment and ensures not only that it is detected, but also that it is worn correctly. If the PP is incorrect or not worn correctly, a visual and acoustic alert is issued. You can select which area of the body you want to check that the PE is correctly positioned. In this way, the system secures not only your employees but also prevents damage or contamination during your manufacturing process. Are you ready to make your plant smart?